You're here because Excel is holding something important together. Barely. It's full of hidden formulas, half manual processes, and old assumptions. It's slow, fragile, and nobody really trusts the numbers anymore. And now you need it to do more than it can. That's exactly where we come in. Excel is supposed to help your business run smoother, not slow it down. But when your files are manual, fragile, and confusing, Excel becomes the bottleneck. We rebuild or improve your system so it's fast, automated, and easy for your team to use. Imagine opening your Excel file, clicking one button, and having an entire workflow done in seconds every single time. That kind of simplicity is exactly what we built, and it's why most of our projects pay for themselves in under 3 months. I'm Kasper Langmann, co-founder of Spreadsheeto and one of only a few Microsoft Excel MVPs in the world. So what does this look like in practice? One of our clients, a medical care provider, spent days manually merging spreadsheets from multiple clinics into reports every month. We built a custom Excel system that automated the entire process, cutting 95% of the manual work and eliminating all errors. Their CEO, Michelle Tucker, was thrilled with their system, which paid for itself in under 3 months. And she's not alone. We've developed more than 500 Excel projects backed by a 4.8-star Trustpilot rating. So if your Excel setup is slowing you down, let's fix it. Book a free 30-minute call and I'll help you map out exactly what's possible, even if we don't end up working together. There's no pressure and no obligation. Just click the button below this video to get started.